Okay, welcome designers to another special package of our graphic design using our phones, and we are using pixellab. Pixellab is a very simple app that we use on our mobile phones, especially if you're using an Android phone. For now, I'm sorry, it's not available on iOS or on Apple devices. So today I want us to make a very simple design but very outstanding one. If you have not watched our beginners course, please you can go back to watch on them, where you can understand all the functions of these tools that are displayed above and below the app. So the first thing we're going to do today is to bring in okay, let's start with changing our background, because already what you're seeing here is a very dull green color. I'm going to click on this background shape. If you look down here, please, if you have watched some of our videos, you know that wherever you see blue around the down icons, it means that's where the icons will be active. For instance, if I click on the alphabet, you can see that the alphabet sign has turned to blue, and then all other icons have turned to support the alphabet. If I click on the middle one, you can see that everything here turned and changed to support what the middle icon is doing. So I'm going to click this last one, second to the last, sorry. That is second to the last. That's the background. And I'm clicking on the color icon. And I'm clicking on the color, not the gradient. Look at, we have color and we have gradient. So I'm clicking on color. Now I'm clicking on white. I want my background to be white, right? And I'm clicking on the check sign, which is this good. Beautiful. Now look at the top left. You see a plus sign. Click on it. Then come to your gallery. But before we go to our gallery, we must make sure that we have downloaded what we want to add into this work. So I won't click on the gallery yet. Let's go down to our internet, or let's just go to our Pinterest. I'm minimizing my system. I'm going down to Pinterest. I want to download a picture. So right now I'm picking, let me just pick this picture here, this lady with the red hair. I'm picking on this picture here, and I'm downloading. Oh, sorry, let me pick this one here, this lady here, and I'm clicking on download. I've downloaded her picture. So I'm going down back to my pixellab, right here. So I can now click on my plus sign at my top left, and I'm clicking on from gallery. That will enable me to access the picture of the girl which I've added already. Can you see that? Now this is the picture of the girl. Now remember, if I want to bring this picture to the pixellab, I'll just click on this check sign, this good sign. If I want to cancel, I'm going to click on this cancel sign. If I want to bring her in as a circle, right, I'm going to click on this circle sign. So let me click this circle sign just to try. You see, it is going to bring her in as a circle. And after selecting the circle and I've adjusted the picture, I'm going to click on this good sign. You see, she's coming in as a circle, right? If I like now, I can write something like happy birthday beside her or something like that, but that's not what I want. So I'm going back. How do I go back? I'm clicking on this arrow sign here, arrow. So the arrow now, this arrow at my top left, and it took me back to the picture the way it should be. Now let me show you a very beautiful trick. How do you erase color from a picture? Assuming you want to remove the background of this girl here, and you want to maybe use the picture for a birthday design or something like that. All you need to do is to click on the lady's picture the way I'm clicking on it now. Then click on this middle icon at the middle down, this shape side. Then swipe your icons to the left until you see erase color. Click on the erase color and click on enable. Right, you see nothing happened. Touch on this dropper, this eyedropper, that this here. You can see this eyedropper. I have touched it already. Now you're going to touch where the color you want to remove. You can see automatically the app selected her nose. That's the color of her nose, but we don't want to erase that. We're going to click on the gray color beside her. Now I've clicked on the gray color. Immediately I do that, I'm going to click on this check sign. Now you see, I have clicked on the check sign. It means it has removed all the gray color. I can also increase this place to make her, as in to make the gray color disappear completely. Now I'm clicking on the check sign and you can see what's there. Now there's no gray sign again. All we have now is just a white background. So what I can still do again is to pick my text, click on my text, look at my text here. I'm double tapping on my text and I'm going to write on using capital letter HBD, meaning happy birthday. Then I'm clicking on OK. Look at it, it's here. So I'm increasing it to be very, very bold and I'm changing the font. Go swipe your letters to the left, click on fonts and scroll up, scroll up, scroll up until you see a convenient font for yourself. You can search for other fonts. Okay, I'm picking here this HBD and I'm clicking OK. Look at how this is. Right, now look at what I will do. I'm going to change this HBD. I'm changing the color of this font to okay, let me change it to orange. Okay, I'm changing it to orange, right? And I'm sending this HBD to the back of the girl or the lady. How do I do that? I'm clicking at my top right where you have these two squares, or that's below the three dots. Click on it. You see that it has given you the alignment, showing you which one is at the front and which one is at the back. So I'm holding on this dot size sign and I'm dragging the picture of the girl up. It means that the picture of the girl is going to be at the top while the font is going to be at the down. Now I'm clicking back on the sides. Now look at what is happening. You can see that the app removed all the white figures or all the white white color or white pigment there. You can even see that her eyes can have the color of the font, right? But if you want a very perfect way of removing background, I won't advise you to use pixellab. I would prefer you to use a kind of app. Just go on Google Play Store and download background remover. In that way, you're going to get a perfect app that can remove the background of pictures. But this is just something you can use maybe when you think you can need it, right? So I'm going to click on the lady and then click on this middle shape icon, then swipe down to my left, click on this erase color and return. Look at, I can increase her brightness, right? Look at what I did here. So I'm reducing here. You see I've blended her. I can bring this here. Look at what's happening. I'm just trying to play with creativity here. Look at what's happening. HBD, right? And I'm placing her here. I may decide to also reduce this and put her here. Alright, HBD. Now, if I like, I may decide to say, click on my text, come down here, double tap on my text, erase it, and then write what I want. Happy birthday, amazing friend. So let me just go around to say happy birthday, amazing friend, full stop. I pray that your heart desires will be granted, full stop. So I'm done with this. I'm clicking here, I'm dragging, right? I'm reducing these fonts, these letters to be here, right? And I'm changing the fonts like this. Okay, and let me just swipe to the left, click on the background, click on OK, go down, swipe to the left, click on lemon green, and then drag this down. Please pay attention to what my hand is doing. You see, so I can now change the font's color to white, right? Happy birthday. So I can write her name, click on this. Let me just assume her name is Esther, and I'm changing her font to an amazing stylish font, Esther. So I can just use this, make it blue or make it this color, right? I can put at the middle here. This, I'm removing this new text here, I'm deleting it. So this is a simple project I want you to try. Look at how it came out. I believe you will like this, but this is just a simple project for you to try out with. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do that, and let's see in the next video. Bye.